Hello, dear students. Welcome back to another lecture of lesson number 4, The Right Trap, written by Selma Legaloff. We are on page number 34 and we shall start para number 7. Let's recall what we learned in the previous chapter, in the previous lecture rather. In the previous lecture, we learned that the old man, he showed 3 bills to his guest, and they were each bill were of 10 krona bills, and the guest was nodding knowingly, and then the host, means the old man, he put back this pouch on the same place, means he let it hanging on this nail which was near the window. The next day both men got up in good season. The crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow, and the other man probably thought he should not stay in bed when the head of the house has gotten up. Now what happened in the next morning? Both the next morning, the old man, they both have a good time. They spent a very good night, peaceful night, and they got up in good season. Is written here. Season means in good time. The time was good. The time was feasible. The time was pleasant. The crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow. A crofter is referred to the old man. Crofter means a person who rents or owns a small family farm. It is this word is especially used in Scotland. दोनों लोगों को क्या हुआ कि उन्होंने रात भर आराम किया. रात के वक्त जो पिछले लेक्चर में हमने पढ़ा कि रात होने से पहले यानी नींद से पहले ओल्ड मैन ने जो उसका मेज़बान था उसने उसको 3 बिल्स दिखाई. 10 क्रोनर की एक बिल थी और एक पाउच में वो लटकी हुई थी खिड़की के पास. दिखाकर उसने जैसे स्ट्रेंजर जो था, राइट ट्रैप सेलर जो था, जैसे वो खूब समझता था कि उसे उसका दोस्त क्या दिखाना, उसका होस्ट क्या दिखाना चाहता था, और उसने सर हिलाकर उसके हाँ में हाँ मिलाई. और नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग क्या हुआ? नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग वो अच्छे वक्त पर बेदार हो गए. द क्रॉफ्टर यहाँ लिखा गया है होस्ट के लिए, ओल्ड मैन के लिए. ही वॉज हरी टू मिल्क हिज काउ. वो अपनी गाय को दूध लेने के लिए चला गया. एंड जो गेस्ट था, जो रेड ट्रैप सेलर था, जो रेड ट्रैप सेलर ने कहा इट इज़ बेटर फॉर हिम टू not use the bed for a long time because his host is already up. He set for to move. The other man probably thought he should not stay in the bed when the head of the house had gotten up. तो उसने सोचा कि उससे अब बिस्तर पर लेटना नहीं चाहिए, जबकि उसका मेज़बान जो इस घर का मालिक है, जो इसका घर का हेड है, वो पहले ही जाग चुका है. They left the cottage at the same time. And finally what happened? They left the cottage at the same time. The crofter looked at the door and put the keys in his pocket, and he checked the door of this cottage, and he locked the door and he put the keys in his pocket. उसने दरवाजे को लॉक कर दिया, फिर उसको चेक कर दिया, फिर इसकी कुंजी को उसने अपने जेब में डाल दिया. The man with the red trap said goodbye and thank you. Thereupon each went his own way. The man with the rat traps, who is some in some land is addressed as a stranger. He was stranger to old man, but we know that he was a rat trap seller, and he say goodbye to his host who served him and who gave him place for the night, and they went their own way. वो अपने अपने रास्ते पे अपने मंजिल की तरफ रवाना हो गए. But half an hour later, the right drop peddler stood again before the door. He did not try to get in, however. He only went up to the window, smashed a pan, stuck in his hand, and caught hold of the pouch with the 30 kroner. But what happened in the end? In the end, it happened that the rat trap maker turned out to be a rogue. He turned out to be a man who should not be trusted upon because he cheated his well wisher, his benefactor, the man who has given him the place for the night and served him uh, served him in a better way, and he turned back just like a snake to sting him. यानी जो ये गेस्ट था, स्ट्रेंजर था या राइट ट्रैप सेलर था, ये एक शुक्रगुजार शख्स की तरह से नहीं निकला, बल्कि ये नाशुक्रगुजार निकला. वो मुड़ के उसी तरह उसने अपने रवैये का इजहार कर दिया. यानी मुड़ के जिस इंसान ने उसके साथ बहुत अच्छा किया था, उसी को उसने डसने की कोशिश की, बल्कि उसको किसी हद तक हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि उसको उसने बहुत तकलीफ पहुंचाई. हुआ क्या, आधे घंटे के बाद ये राइट ट्रैप सेलर उसने कुछ रास्ता तय किया था, निकाल लिया था. उसको मालूम हुआ, जब उसको ये यकीन हुआ कि अब जो ओल्ड मैन है वो अपने घर से दूर निकल चुका होगा, और वो वापस मुड़ के उसने क्या किया, उसने वो इस कॉटेज में जहाँ उसने सुकून से रात गुजारी थी वहाँ फिर पहुँच गया, और सीधे वो उसी खिड़की के पास चला गया जहाँ उसने उस पाउच को देखा था जिसमें 30 क्रोनर्स की बिल्स थी. And he smashed a pan stuck in his hand. And what he did, smashing means he smashed a pan with a blow or attacked a pan with his fist of something else, and the pan got shattered, it got broken in pieces, and he was so able to get hold of the pouch carrying 30 kroner bills. And he took the money and thrust it into his pocket. Thrust means he pushed the bills into his pocket and went away. Before going away, he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in its place and went away. जाने से पहले उसने इस पाउच को इत्मीनान से उसी जगह पर रख दिया जहां उसने रखा था. Now see, that's a lesson. There is a misery. Misery means the right trap seller acted badly to his well-wisher. He had given him a place, that too in an odd time. The old man was not knowing him. He was completely a stranger before the old man. But still, the old man believed him, he trusted him, he accommodated him in his own cottage, and he served him oats and give him a plain but very peaceful bedding for the night till early in the morning. They say goodbye to each other, but the later the man uh, returned with an evil will, with a sin, and he smashed the old man's the pane of the old man's cottage and took away the bills carrying 30 krona. As he walked along with the money in his pocket, he felt quite pleased with his smartness. Now once he was successful in his evil deed of taking away the old man's money, old man's earnings, he felt quite pleased. He felt quite satisfied with his smartness. ये बंदा राइट ट्रैप सेलर जो था, बड़ा ही अपनी इस चालाकी पर बड़ा नाजान था, खुश था कि द ट्रिक ही प्लेड वर्कड सक्सेसफुली. जो चाल वो चल गए उसने जो चाल वो चला उस वो चाल बड़ी हद तक कामयाब रही. ही रियलाइज्ड of course that at first he dared to continue on the public highway but must turn off the road into the woods. First he dared to continue on the public highway. चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका होता है. पहले उसने पब्लिक हाईवे पे जाने की जुर्रत की, but he got some fears with him. He diverted himself to another way. He turned off the road and he turned in the direction of the woods, in the direction of the jungle. इन्हें हाईवे से उसने अपने आप को अलहदा किया, उसने दूसरी डायरेक्शन ले ली. इस समय में जंगल का रास्ता था. ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट आवर्स दिस कॉज्ड हिम नो डिफिकल्टी, बट फर्स्ट आवर्स during the first few hours he walked very peacefully and without any difficulty. He found himself in a very ease, very satisfied, very calm, without any danger and fear. यानी उसने अपने आप को बड़ा महफूज समझ लिया, बड़ी तसल्ली के साथ वो अपने रास्ते पे जा रहा था और उसे किसी चीज़ का खौफ महसूस नहीं हो रहा था. Later in the day it became worse, for it was a big and confusing forest which he had gotten into. But later his travel became a misery for him. He met a worse thing. What was the worst thing? What it was the way he was going on proved to be a very confusing and very long way. It seemed no end of it. यानी जिस रास्ते से ये जा रहा था बड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग था, उस रास्ते का की कोई इंतहा उसे नज़र नहीं आ रही थी, तो ये बड़ा परेशान हो गया. He tried to be sure to walk in a definite direction. He wanted to walk in a definite direction but miserably failed. But the paths twisted back and forth so strangely. The paths he took, the paths he walked on were twisting back strangely. They were twisting back and forth so strangely. He walked and walked without coming to an end of the wood. And it looks that he will never come out of the wood. वो इस जंगल से शायद कभी बाहर आ ही नहीं सकता है. एंड फाइनली ही रियलाइज्ड दैट ही हैड ओनली बीन walking around in the same part of the forest, and he realized that he is always walking in the same part of the forest, and the paths he was walking on and along were twisting, were intermingling, mingling, and were no end to these paths, or they were not leading him to any destination or direction. All at once he recalled his thoughts about the world and the right track. Now, what happened? Meanwhile, he was walking, his mind, he was working something in his heart of hearts. His mind was working. And during this work, he recalled his thoughts about the world and the right track. He thinks about the world, and he thinks about his own right track. ये रास्ते से चल रहा था, इन्हीं रास्तों में वो जहाँ वो फंस चुका था, वो बाहर आने की कोशिश भी कर रहा था, लेकिन दिमाग में उसके दिमाग में कुछ ख्याल भी चल रहा था. वो ख्याल क्या था? उसे दुनिया का ख्याल आया, और जो उसने वो रैट ट्रैप बना रहा था जिसमें वो जानवरों को पकड़ सकता था, वो उसमें फंस जाते थे एक बार, कभी फिर वो यानी इससे छूट नहीं जाते थे. तो उसे यही ख्याल आया. नाउ हिज ओन टर्न हैड कम. उसने कहा कि मैंने इस के बनाए हुए फंदे से, द राइट ट्रैप ही वाज making, he was manufacturing of his own, thousands and hundreds and thousands animals were caught into these traps, but now it is his own turn. He has himself caught in a trap. He had himself be fooled by a bait and had been caught. And there was a bait, the 30 kroner checks were the bait for the acts as a bait for the right trap seller. ये जो थोड़ा सा जो हुक में हम वो खाने की चीज़ डालते हैं एज अ बेट इस्तेमाल कर होता है एनिमल के लिए, इसे पकड़ने की कोशिश करता है, खाने की कोशिश करता है, खुद ट्रैप में फंस जाता है. और ये चेक्स जो थी इसी वो इनको हज़म करने की कोशिश कर रहा था, इनको हथियाने की कोशिश कर रहा था, और उसमें ये फंस गया. और इसने इस दुनिया को एक ट्रैप से बढ़कर कोई चीज़ नहीं पाई. एंड फॉर द होल फॉरेस्ट with its trunks and branches, its thickets and fallen logs closed in upon him like an impenetrable prison from which he could never escape. Now what he witnessed there? He witnessed there big trunks of the trees, trunks, the main stem of the tree, the tree branches, thickets. Thickets means the growth of these shrubs, thick shrubs, and there were the fallen logs. Log means length of a cut or fallen tree, closed upon him in an impenetrable trap. These all things worked together and became an impenetrable prison for the right trap seller. और ये तमाम चीज़ें इकट्ठे होकर एक impenetrable means through which one cannot penetrate, one cannot go through, यानी इनके पार वो अब नहीं जा सकता था. इसके लिए ये एक ट्रैप बन गया, एक कैद खाना बन गया, जहाँ से वो कभी बाहर आ नहीं सकता है. ये कौन समझता है? राइट ट्रैप मेकर समझता है. आगे क्या होता है स्टोरी में, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. थैंक यू वेरी मच.